Reena Governor of passing it on, a culinary legacy for the next generation with real people and real meals. Today I will be showing you how to make a simple chicken wings. Ingredients: I have my chicken wings that's been washed already. I have 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any other oil that you prefer. I have 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 4 tablespoons of peri sauce, a bit of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I've got a bit of crushed chili and 2 tablespoons of garlic and 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. And this is a simple recipe for a chicken wing. Stay tuned for the preparation. You're going to place all the ingredients in a bowl except the salt. Okay. In goes the peri sauce, my chili, a bit of brown sugar and the garlic. So I'm going to whisk for about 2 minutes till the sugar dissolves. The sugar has dissolved, so this is my paste to actually marinate the chicken wing. So stay tuned for the next step. Casserole dish, I'm going to put my chicken in there. Okay, I have to use my hands. Just going to sprinkle a bit of salt. Just turn that a bit. So I'm going to add some of the sauce that's prepared already. In fact, you can use one of these just to coat them. Sorry about the noise. Okay. So there's no need to add oil to the wings when it's going into the oven because the oil is already added to my casserole dish. Is not firm enough so you can hear the noise. So this is ready to go into the oven for about 30 minutes till golden brown. As you can see, the chicken wings is almost ready. It's been in the oven for about 25 minutes. Now I do have balance of the sauce. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all this into the casserole. Just going to coat this a bit, and now I'm going to put it for another 10 minutes in the oven. As you can see, my chicken wings are nicely done. It's got extra sauce as well to it. So this is all ready to have for supper tonight. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, I wish you a week of prosperity. I wish you a week of protection upon you and your family. Remember, even as we go through this season of COVID, stay blessed, stay safe, and I pray God's choicest blessing upon you and your family. Take care.